Hello, little squirrel. How cute are these? Right, we're back at Sandal Park, and yeah, there's a lot of geese here today. A lot of grey lag. You got these white ones as well. These are nice, look at these. Wait for food, look. Look at all them. Loads of them. Look at him wobbling. Started looking in bag a lot through now. Getting chased. There never used to be this many, did there?
I don't know more. I think there were more last year, mate.
Really? Yeah.
Don't like going near young ones though, do they? Fucking good for you, man.
I know. They're just behind you at young uns. Just down there.
Soon grow though, wouldn't they?
Yeah. Yeah, just over there we've got some goslings. Well, young geese now, I'm guessing, because they've grown up, so we'll go and have a look at them. But yeah, absolutely hundreds of geese down there. Hello. These are them young goslings, look. Well, they'll be young geese now. Well, I've got some younger ones there, look. And then there's some more younger ones. Wow, look at these. Looks like we've gone down in ages. Hello. How cute are these? Hello. Little squealers. Yeah, so they're youngest. And then we've got them ones. And then they're the older ones. Hello. Don't worry, I'm not getting too close. Yeah, look how cute they are. Jesus, look at all them. These have got nice colours on them, these mixed geese. A bit like tango, aren't they? Not seen Tango for a few months. So he's either flown away or he's somewhere. Give him a few months, he might come back. Yeah, I can't believe how many geese are at this lake. Honestly. There's another little lake just round that corner. There's normally a few spawns there. We'll have a look here. I've not been round there for a long time. So, we'll see what we can see.
No, it wasn't a bill. That wasn't a bill. What?
Hello, little squirrel. Where's he gone? Yeah, got 4 squirrels here, got 2 there. One, where is he? There we go. 1 there, and 1 there. Well, there's no swans on here today. Normally find a couple, but